G'day and welcome back. Just finished my swim down at the beach. It was a bloody good swim too. 6 o'clock now, so yeah, probably nearly an hour. Oh man, it was so refreshing. Oh man, I'm glad I came today. I think I might make it a weekly occurrence. It's a big bloody rocks. Alright, we're off. Watch out for that sandy spot. Yeah, they're closed. Damn, I was really looking for a feed to go into bloody Grafton to get a feed now. Whee. Man, that was so refreshing. Oh, it's just made my week so much better. And I've already had a pretty bloody good week. Oh, so nice. Hang on, I might go and do a Yui because it is a different video and some people might not have seen the ocean from just up here. I showed it in the last video just before I went down for a swim. So we'll go have a look again because it is a new video. But yeah, it's probably the lowest the tide has ever been when I've been out here. And it like takes a very long time to start dropping off as well. It's a very shallow beach. Like you can walk fucking 50 meters out, you can still have your chest above the water pretty much. Have another squiz. Careful, careful. Don't fucking slip on the sand. We nearly smacked that fucking guiding post. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's what I reckon. I didn't go for a swim down there. I'll back up the beach a little bit further, but looks like a bloody beautiful spot for a fish and a swim. Oh, lovely day for a swim. The water was perfect. No, come on, don't go on neutral, you bastard. Right, now we get to trek home. Oh, into Grafton anyway, I'm hungry. Don't think I've got much at home at the moment. Might even go and see someone about some food. Right. Get the nice shiny sun in her eyes all the way back. I'll put my extra visor down. Now it looks like a pilot. Oh, son of a bitch. Yeah, because I think it's Sunday. There'll be no bloody fish and chip shops open at this time of the day. I'll have to go to Wendercraft and see if I can find something. Yeah, it's definitely cooled down a bit, that's for sure. Probably bloody 25, 26 degrees at the moment. But it feels like it's a little bit less than 20 on the bike. Kept my wet boardies on after my swim. And the breeze going through my dry rider pants. Just keeping me nice and cool. Turn off's coming up. Slow down. The fifth. Fourth. Third. Second. Oh, never mind, he's fucking coming up anyway. Fucking freaked me out coming around the corner. Thought he was going to be blasting. Oh, there's the next person. Build it up, build it up. Oh, he's turning off too. Good. Because, yeah, just trying to be careful. Because they blasted around that corner. I was not risking it. Even with sunglasses and a tinted visor, still very harsh, that light. Or the drop down tinted visor anyway. I feel like a clear visor, like the big one, is just necessary. I just see people riding around with dark fucking visors all the time. I don't know if they think they look cool, but yeah, I don't know. I much prefer the clear visor. Here we go, this is a pretty good, nice corner. As long as the sun doesn't smash me in the eyes and a car comes out of nowhere or something.